Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial teaching you how you can use Pencil Spaces to schedule your week. Pencil Spaces is a multi-purpose platform that goes beyond the realm of education. The platform can be used in your basic day-to-day activities, including scheduling your week. So I've created a new space and I've titled it To-Do List, so that even after I leave this space, I can easily find it again and look back at my to-do list throughout the week. So when I create a to-do list, I like to have a layout already set up. So I'm going to upload a weekly planner layout into this space just to work from there. So I'm going to go to Files, and I've already downloaded this weekly planner layout, so I'm just going to add that to my space. And as you can see, the planner is uploaded to my space. Now I'm going to be using Pencil's text box to type directly on top of the image. So let's say on Monday I have a business meeting. So I'm going to type in business meeting at, let's say 11 a.m. I can adjust the text box and the font size of the text to better fit on my schedule. I can even use Pencil's shape tool to add in a checkbox so that I can check off the item as complete when I complete it. So as you can see, I've put together a complete schedule of my week. I can leave this space and go back to it at any time. And I can update my schedule as the week goes along. So let's say I had the business meeting at 11 a.m. I created the slideshow. However, let's say something came up that I have to add to my schedule. I can do this at any time just by adding the text box. Let's say I have to reschedule a meeting. Again, I can change the size of the text and move it around so it can better fit in my space. So as you can see, the schedule can be edited as you go along, and you can check off your to-do list as you go through it. I hope you found today's video helpful in demonstrating how you can bring Pencil Spaces into your day-to-day life.